1 is male shadow. Number 2, she dances, or he dances in his cage. Number 3 is a lab mix male. Number 4 is American Bulldog female spayed, about a year old. Number 5, pit mix. Number 6, she's like a mini pit. Number 7 is a black lab. Where'd this male? Is it Anderson? Okay, number 7, lab. Number 8, we all like, she's gotten a lot better, right? Belle, female spade. 9, pound mix. 10, he's adorable. Owner surrender. Number 11, Percy. Number 12, hit me. Who's that?
Sheba.
That's Sheba. White, heartworm positive. And she gets along with everybody. She's a really good dog. 13, hit mix. 14, spade. 15, an older dog with skin problems. 16, old boxer mix and a surrender. 17, yellow lab. Is that owner's female? Number 18, white mix. 19 and 20.